first time hooking the bug to the bed bug. So here's the bug. And we're going to put it on there. And this is Daniel, my Boondockers Welcome friend, forever friend.
That's right.
Did you find the key?
The key is not on this key ring, so.
Really?
At least, yeah, not for the master.
Okay,
Let me go. I'll go check the.
That one I gave you work?
No dive. No dive.
Okay, keep looking. I got way too many keys.
Yeah.
And I thought I had it all
Organized. Well, you do. It's not inside the bug. Not even close. No más. No bueno. Ah, yeah. Oh, these are like little baby locks. Oh, you did. Lori. Lori.
You got a better idea?
Well, you just have like different. You have like 3 different locks on there, and I could see how you got lost with your keys.
Yeah.
So
So what did that one go to? Something
nothing on this.
Because I have that.
This is a Brinks, and that's a little tiny baby key. Do I need to pump it and give it some gas?
Give it 2 pumps. Clutch in. Go. Ooh. Yeah, buddy.
With Volkswagen, is it less up or?
It's push. Okay. He said he wanted to take off in it. Perfect.
Oh, man.